Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of a purse. It's not necessarily a luxury brand purse, but I would tell you it is pretty luxurious. It is from my favorite footwear brand, Rothys. So stay tuned to see the purse that I got from Rothys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below, hit the notification bell right next to the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my future content, and hit the like button for this video if you want to see more content like it. Welcome back everybody. If my setup looks a little different, that's because it is, and this has either been explained or will be explained in the near future. I just don't want to go into it on this video because this video is all about my first Rothys purse purchase. So I'm really excited. Let me put this over to the side. It's the receipt that came with it. I did already open it and take a look at it because I wanted to see if it was something that I wanted to return or keep. I just opened it and I wanted to get an initial feel for the bag itself, and it did not disappoint. Also, really quick, I wanted to say thank you to all my viewers who have clicked the link down below to get $20 off of your next pair of Rothys. Because enough of you have clicked it, I've gotten a couple pair of shoes and this purse with credits that I have earned through Rothys. So I really appreciate it. I will definitely link that down below again. So if you want to try Rothys shoes or purses, they also have masks and a bunch of other like little different things. Then click that link down below. You get $20 off. I get a $20 credit, and it's a win-win. So I will in the future be doing a Rothys shoe collection video just so that you can see how much I've built up that collection. But so let's just kind of go into it. I do not want this video to be super long. I know how annoying it is when you tune into an unboxing video and you're like, just get to the unboxing. So let's go ahead and unbox it, and then I'll give you like the features of it. The weird thing is I went to go purchase it, and this particular purse is no longer available as of right now. Today, I went and looked, and it was on sale when I purchased it, and that's partly why. Okay, so the purse, here it is. It is a, well, actually, I'm just going to open it and show you. So it comes in this great little package, I assume so that you can return it because it has this sticky stuff here. And this is sustainable since day one. We proudly crafted this bag partially from ocean-bound plastics collected within 30 miles of coastlines and marine environments. This bag was knit with 100% recycled materials, which I think is really cool. And you can tell it's not like a super big bag. So we're gonna pull this out. It comes in its own little dust bag with the Rothys emblem. And once you open it up, we'll pull the little bag out. And how cute is that? This is the mini handbag in royal blue. If you've seen my channel videos on my channel recently, I have been somewhat obsessed with mini handbags, and I didn't think I would be because I'm one of those people that loves to carry tons, but for the weekends and running around, this size bag has like proven to be just the perfect bag. Recently, I've been carrying my Rough and Tumble Pinch Bottom Traveler. I'll insert a picture here so you can check that out, and I'll put a link down below for that one. And that has been awesome on the weekends. It's in the color wolf, and it's just so luxurious. I love that purse. So this was just another one to add to my collection. It does come with inside, let's see, this is a bag. So this is the other cool thing about Rothys. So this is a bag, a machine wash bag, and I'll tell you more about that in just a second. This is inside of it. I did not see all of this when I first opened it up because I didn't go that deep into it. There's so much to love. Learn more about the superb craftsmanship, sustainable materials, and special care for your Rothys bag. And it gives you a little web address to go to, and it came in this cute little, almost like gift card holder. Maybe that's what they send gift cards in. And then inside you have this strap. Now you guys know that I love to change my straps out, so this is really awesome that this is a removable strap. This is an adjustable and removable strap, and it goes on just like this. It's a lobster claw clip. Let me take the other side off too. So it's a lobster claw clip. It looks like it's going to fit crossbody just fine. I will definitely insert some like mod shots or put them at the end of me trying this on for you because it is so tiny. You kind of want to get a good idea of how it fits. And then let's see, this is what comes in the bag. A temporary wrinkle. Due to the softness of our materials, Rothys bags may create may crease during transit, simply use a clothes steamer or iron on low to medium settings to quickly smooth them out. And not only are they sustainable, but they're also washable. So all shoes and all purses, all masks, everything is washable, and it gives you care instructions right here. I think it says to wash in cold water, mild detergent, in the delicate cycle, no heat, air dry, all that. So this is the bag that it comes in. You put it in this bag and you wash it in this bag in your machine washer. Then you take it out and you can like let it air dry. So the cool thing about this little guy is that it does zip at the top right here. So it does feel a little bit more secure when you're running around on the weekends. This thing probably packs a punch. I'll do a separate video on what fits. For now, let me give you some dimensions of this bag, because when I went to go get the dimensions, it was actually no longer on the website at all. So I wasn't able to grab those real quick. So the bottom, let's just measure from edge to edge. The bottom here is about 6 1/4 inch. From top to bottom here, it's about 6 1/2 inches. And then if you're gonna measure from side to side at like the widest that it gets to be about 9 1/2 inches when you kind of push it down like that. So I know that it will definitely hold a ton because it's going to stretch out on the sides. And then the strap, the handle drop is about 3 1/2 inches. Oh, and then depth is almost 4 inches. So from here to here is almost 4 inches. But that is it. Is that not just the cutest little purse that you've ever seen? Like, I also went with the blue. There was a candy apple red. Super cute, super excited to have that. And yeah, this concludes the Rothys purse video. So don't forget that you can get $20 off with my link down below. They have shoes. I have the square toed. I have the round toed. And I have them in a multitude of colors. So definitely go check those out. I don't think you'll be disappointed. If you're gonna get a pair of shoes, I had to size up half a size in order for them to fit correctly. So do that, but the return policy is also pretty amazing. I think it's a 30-day return policy, and it's like no questions asked, and they'll even exchange them for you really, really simply. I haven't had any issues with getting an exchange. One time I even contacted them and said, hey, I got these for my birthday, but they didn't quite fit. It was when I was first starting with the brand. They didn't quite fit, and I would really like to swap them. She goes, okay, so normally when you return, they wait until they receive those shoes or whatever, that item back, and then they mail out to you the size of that item that is the exchange. For this one, because I had mentioned it was my birthday and I didn't know they do this, she was like, oh gosh, well, I'll go ahead and ship them out to you, and we'll just get those to you sooner. So I thought that was really, really kind of her, and what great customer service, you know? So that's it. Like I said, I will link everything I talked about down below so that you can go and check it out yourself. They also have this bag in a larger size, and since I already have some large handbags, the Belmont being one of them, that's kind of one of those things that it was like, I've already kind of got something that fulfills that, so let's try something different in a little mini handbag. So I'll link everything down below. I'll also link some strap options, guitar strap options that I have from Amazon so that you can check those out. And that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. I'll definitely get to those as soon as I can because I want you guys to have all the information. So I'll talk to you next time. Bye. I just wanted to get an initial feel for it. And see, so let's just jump right in and show you the bag. It comes in its own little This is my Rough and Tumble. Recently I've been carrying my Rough and Tumble, what's it called? My Insider